Talat Paiba Vice Chancellor Kano Eastern Hills University Shillong Prabhashankar Shukla yek Endangered Archives Program project to digitize cultural history in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills haka arp santarik mentabnai naiwing arjar arpoi ha conference hall library nehu. Yekini ka project la Baitinga the British Library but ka Melbourne University. Kajing thu jang ni project kalong ban pinne pinsa ya ka culture but ki dulir ni kajing tho ki bla pin shong nong rim ye kajing ja ba min shwa ki bla long try de ki riu shimen ni ki sing. Ye kini kajing tho bala lum la banbo ye ki ha British Library London ha North Eastern Hills University Shillong but la is not ti lang ru da ka Melbourne University Australia ye kini ki kot la ban yo lingba ki online ru. Habikren but Professor Desmond L. Karmauplang ulay thuo bagani project kalong kebetulan kam hadu kata-kata namar babon kijing tho balarim kilas dang bandu jat nyo kumta ban penne pensa ikini kijing tho balas dang du jat lingba kani ke project bat ban yo ban sam yeki shaki pateng ki ban sawan.
Preserve the knowledge, also generate the knowledge, create the ideas in regional languages. Then, any student who joins this university may learn national languages, regional languages, as well as international. And new education policy gives us a chance to work on regional languages. Earlier, I was in a NEP 2020 program in Guwahati. Same question raised by the Chief Minister of Assam. There is a huge problem how to generate the 180 type of languages of the Northeast. I just spoken there. Yeah, this is a challenge. But if we are not going to take this challenge, academicians are not going to take this challenge, so who will take this challenge? Step by step, we will do, we will collect the information, we will develop the technology, and with the application of the technology, we can do that, or we will do something for the coming generation. Just like translation of the knowledge from one language to other language. We know we have the software. So there is a need to take a challenge for the regional languages. And really, no doubt, this education policy as well as this project, endangered knowledge. First time I listened this word, I already listened the word endangered plants, endangered animals or species. So first time listened this word endangered books also. It means you are just going to preserve the endangered knowledge of the Northeast. After the preservation of the knowledge, converting translation of the knowledge in different languages, either from Khasi or Garo or any other, in the national languages, then in the international languages. And some knowledge is already available in the international languages or in national languages, translate into the regional languages. Then, in this far we can provide something, knowledge of Khasis, Garos to coming generations.
Kini ke project kaba ni ay kerteng blip kini ke yang na British Library Endangered Archives Program. Mo, kini kedai ke program kaba ke administer lene ke penyai ke British Library hadian pakayo ke funding na ke Arcadia Fund. Ke Arcadia Fund kedai ke humanitarian organization ke belong international ke bahaya, but namar kawin ni gijing temu jo ke Arcadia Fund kalong pan preserve ban pene pensa yaki nuksa jo ki cultural heritage kelen ke pertai de yakani ke British Library kala shimkhia pan administer yakani ke fund lakabanta gitu ki institutions namta gitu ki agency namta gitu ki seng tu let's say ki bala pan apply na ke British Library namta ka funding kumuswa nuksa kendiang ke British Library kawin ki kam ki bakongsan hapo kani ke project bakale kalong ban preserve iki papyri script mo ki script ki dakto ki bala preserve haki papyrus mo haki tu ki kinjaplang ki bang cheyo harum jongka river Nile jongka wa Nile kadi tang sibenta jongka jingle jongka jingtre jongka jingpersyang jongka British Library pan support niki jingpersyang jongki priu jongki institutions khantam ki bakwa wan preserve niki cultural heritage ki balalong endangered ki balalong threatened kata kemun ki bodon ke jingma ki ba lesi ki belajan jano ki belajan pun ke menor te ni na kalian jong ka university house nam arajar pa khat kendai hadir di lawan pai na University of Melbourne hakaba ngalalej ke kumuway visiting professor from University of Melbourne but hangto may kundo yu Dr. Nick Hayberger the way that he start linguist the way that he start pule Boshamhang haki languages khantam le ki languages jo ki jai bari ki baim haka Pacific region the mo don punya je ke institution ke ba kata Bharat side but ini lapan dekat University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, dekat Australian National University. Jadi keren jumlah baku berhadir mengalami syai pengidon pun untuk usaha kumpulasi heritage kita lalu tadi khantam lele haka oral tradition khantam lele haka heritage ke bagi sa sangat aktif le kun lesi kun jitu kana kun jituai kun hawa kun ki rukom ki jingla niam but ki performances ba punjat the middle I encourage company to who I advise who I jumut boleh kini apply na British Library nama kidon British Library kadon project kalau design thick na namta ini gitu kidon terangkat par Professor Andrew May bodai professor for Department of History for University of Melbourne na par Professor May gilaya pa with joint application to the British Library how na January as kendai but hadin san benai misi yo kata juba misi yo response dari British Library ba ya kini ka application ini kila approve but nampak funding buat gila pun sedang bertukar no buat mereka kami ki examples ki nuksa ki nomuna ini dan kelak akan ini kasih jadi lagi but akan ini ke but nasin tu ini ke kebu ban kerpat ki longsem ki individuals ki rewshimat ki institutions ki let's say ki seng ki boper ban lada pidon kono buka ban share bani tapi kilo ki luksa jom kita ki cultural heritage ki balalong endangered balalong threatened ki badan haging ma let's say haging sok print kumong markani kot kumong ain luksa ko boy kelas sok print te let's say kidon kum kini ki luksa ki badan shi ki jaka ki baslap ki ba ujur slap te ka ban preserve ki ka khamstom let's say kidon ki bam kurun te kum kita bro lengba kani ka project ni nila ban preserve ki mundai bangi ngin shim nabi ndai ni preserve ki da ba digitize ye kini ki but ka copyright ki jofi ka shulong tang ba ni ngin preserve ki hatur kom ko dai kom ko systematic but ka longru ka ai ka ba sko sarong ba ye ka kam ka bangi la identify bangin digitize ba bangin preserve she copy gandon the British Library, she copy gandon the University of Melbourne, but she copy gandon the library in the